I'm Samatia Arizu. I represent Singular Logic and I will act as a project coordinator in the Enhance project. Enhance project aims to provide solutions for coastal management adopting the One Health framework, meaning that we are going to analyze the whole ecosystem, including environmental impacts, impacts to animals, and impacts to human health. In this line, we are going to provide a framework for this analysis and to also develop tools and an ICT platform that will support different stakeholders to make decisions about coastal management in this context of One Health concept. The project has just started, and we set an ambitious goal for the next year that it will be to, first of all, frame our vision in the context also of the two case studies, one in Pacific Coast Gulf and one in Catalan coastal area, and start working on first release of our framework and initial developments of ICT tools.